what we talk about sex over girl, Kylan?
Girl stress has a quick interest.
No, you know.
Already. The girl them best, you know?
Thank God. So, they are all the reason I build a men's, you see, so life, dog, life will go good.
Yeah, life.
So then females are talk about.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, man, no, I tell them things. So yeah, dog, so in our video now, yo, would you rather
Yeah.
cheat on your girlfriend with your ex?
Would you rather, is that two something, you know? Two question I feel.
Would you rather cheat on your girlfriend with your ex?
Or, no, a two question. Would you rather, like when I say, would you rather consume food or consume a drink? I drink.
What? You don't want to answer that question, don't it?
No, no.
You don't want to answer that question.
Alright, ask again.
Would you rather cheat on your girlfriend with your ex? Your previous ex now.
Would you rather cheat on my girlfriend or be back with my ex? That you are trying
Cheat on your girlfriend with your ex.
Cheat on my girlfriend or be
with your ex.
I go back to my ex.
Yeah, mix up the pie. Look, you're there with a girl now, but you're there with a girl now. So your ex come back and talk to you. You miss your ex. You're there with a girl, but you don't want to live with a girl. So that cheat on your girl with your ex, the ex. Your girl now or your previous ex.
No.
Okay, simple as that, brother.
No.
Alright, you have no question?
Would you rather go back with your recent ex or go back with your ex after your recent ex? You know how me talk. Me not forget it. Which one? You have to talk quick in the dog.
This is a question, brother. To be honest.
Time and run.
To be honest.
Minutes are
to be
running
honest,
like
To be honest, I want to say my recent one. The second one.
The second one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me still have
Ask again.
Me still have feelings.
Ask again.
Me sorry now.
Eat him up. You see me? Eat him up.
Me sorry dog.
You see me? Yeah.
Body in the dog.
Where is it?
Body in the.
Oh.
Body in the. You see it?
Yeah, change your question. One is a dual funny one.
Yo, so this feel that because I tell him man say yo, as you see in the intro, you see me? In the intro, I try pranking, you see. So I try to catch XD, you see it. You know about the thing, you see. I try to catch XD, you see me? I try to catch XD. But
prank water.
I try to prank you if you say, maybe it's my ex, and see how your reaction would go, brother.
Oh. But me not see me sorry in real life.
No, not so.
Not you know see me sorry in real life.
You miss your ex?
No, bro.
Which one the ex they miss?
Me not miss none of me.
Me not miss.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
So what make you expect me gonna miss?
Me and all of my ex I'm cool.
Like that.
But me not mix.
Like that. Like that.
But me not miss none of my ex them, bro.
Like that.
Me and all of my ex them cool.
Like that.
They know it.
Like that.
Yes,
Like
they
that.
know it too.
Like that. Don't like.
It's like me, you know. It's like me now, bro. When me, you know,
Alright,
when me do with that girl,
me know 3 ex.
I left them.
Me know 3
It's like me just make a mark for
Well, me know 3 ex them.
You understand?
Who
It's
should
like me just make a mark for
Who should
It's like if, watch you, me's the type of youth now. When them have to look for them new nigga or something, I don't know. The new nigga or something, and say, yo, listen now, dog. When them have to look at the new nigga or something, I not cuss them because of me. You see me?
Yo.
Because they see me treat
Brother,
me
your
good.
box
You
cover,
see me?
brother. Why
It's like me level low spell pan them.
We're catch XC, because XC is soon for it.
You know exactly. You know exactly.
Yeah, me know
It's like me level. No, watch out. Watch your one, man. You don't know it's true, dog. Me don't say you know that same talent there. But me have a talent. Watch out. Yo, watch out. I'm talking now. Watch you, man. Get there if you done your video.
So, we have the XD, is it? We got to say XD. Is it the intro now?
What's up, guys? I know it's your boy XD and to the back with another video. Off go on.
What's up, people? It's your boy Prince, and I'm back in the place in another video. As you can see, that part, camera just the power, so we edit that out. Anyway. So, my XE there, I do some look out. Where you go?
Would you rather?
Would you rather, you see? So, this is how it go. Come on, watch yourself, man. Watch yourself. So, you have a question you want to ask first? Ask.
So,
Come on, why are you doing that video, dog?
Girl, I like some face.
channel, so.
We answer.
So, would you rather
Mhm.
take back your ex or move on? Move on.
Recent ex?
Recent ex or one out of the category, is it? One out of the,
Recent ex?
yeah. Recent ex.
Recent?
Recent. Distant.
I rate her. I
Mm.
still care about her, but no.
Oh man,
No.
that's not good. So you go.
Go, call. Press a guess. Your turn. Would you rather date one of your brother's ex, either me or Kyle, and which of them you have feelings but we actually like either your wife? Would you rather do it? But you have to call them in a number. How much ex you know for me? Don't do this right. Don't do this. Don't make it look so bad. We don't have too much.
How much you know about?
How much me know about?
No, how much me know
How
about?
much you know about?
4-5.
Oh, 5 bomb.
5 me know about.
How much you know about Kyle?
Eh?
Can't
Kyle
count!
about 10 now.
Born 9 or 10.
That's it.
Alright. Right now them to the three recent
Top
ones.
three best girls,
No,
yes.
top three recent them.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
You go bossy, you know.
Wow.
Alright, so
Me?
Ocean, from my side.
Me no want another, no one for
Just
next
as it. Just as it.
No, don't want another
Just
one.
as it.
Let me
Just
tell you
as
what I like. Let me tell you. We are into them one of you. Let me tell you which one would I like now. Would I like, you know, probably J and
Move a
probably
bum.
Cardi C. You know,
Oh.
probably Cardi J and probably
Yeah.
Cardi C. You know? Me not gonna tell you.
We're not calling name.
Yes, sir.
So what one of you like my favorite ex, brother?
Eh?
One of you like
What?
my favorite ex. Eh?
No, you know something like them already.
Your
Zach.
favorite ex? Yeah, dog. Me still have
Zach, you
feelings.
know some
Me still have
ex them.
feelings here, no, dog.
Watch
Me
it.
love her daily, brother.
Me know that's why I take her.
More
Me know that's why I take her.
go back to her, brother.
Eh?
Yeah, brother, I miss her.
We are really a tell me say
True,
that.
brother,
No,
miss
we
her.
are no man talk up to the camera. We are really a say. You miss the ex dog.
Yeah, dog, miss
So
the ex,
uno
brother.
not done for no thing already for no chapter
Yeah,
not
but
done
she left me
done.
with a scar, brother, and I'm
Oh, she
like,
left
brother.
with scar with what? Scar with what? Where scar there?
Yeah, you
We
can't
can't
see
see
it.
scar.
It's an imaginary scar, brother. It's
Imaginary
there. She
scar,
left
brother.
the feelings boiling in my heart, nigga. You can't understand that.
Brother,
Miss
you
her,
a baby
brother.
dog. Oh, dog. You need to talk.
You know, man, I say
Oh, really,
usually I
young one?
stress more while, you know. I regular thing for me, you know. Regular thing
so
for
it's
me.
a regular thing,
He
then.
stress over my ex them. Probably I'll go sleep.
You know what I'm
I
done?
think about the
It's
ex
a
them.
prank, right? It's a prank. Nothing no go so, nothing no go so. You see, Kai Money, you push it prank too far. So we come on that do a prank, all I got to try to catch you before you fall when I fall back, you see. So nothing no go so. I'm not sure what no girl, brother.
Exactly,
No,
because
girl,
there are
you
too
see.
many
This is
out
this
there
is
to-
this YouTube one.
You know, you stress over a girl already.
No man,
No joke about
no,
Stress still.
no. What we talk about stress over girl, Kylan?
Girl stress
You want-
exactly interest.
No, you. What when we find the video, Ryan? Man, vex. Man, vex.
Yo, we have something to tell you, dog.
What?
Yo, we are way after, man.
Shut up, you know.
Show him man thing.
Shut up.
Man, yo.
Shut up.
Dog.
Shut up.
Man,
Shut
yo,
up, shut
that good, man. That good.
Shut up.
Yo,
Black and delete.
when the nigga, when the ex did.
Oh, yo, why?
No, the killing them never die.
Why father? When you my ex, watch out. When I ex me that cheat pan him, is it so? Me find out.
That
Me
is
find out.
the
I tell Ryan. When we
Excellent.
tell him, it was like.
Excellent, dog. Wanna know me already made the girl them got, you know.
Yeah, girl.
That is one like a hard pain, you know. Not a slide.
One.
Not a slide.
Jeez.
No man, they born it hot.
I know that,
They
brother.
put on Michael
I
here.
know that, brother.
Extra height.
I know that. Everything good about that, man.
Yeah, people so more on the videos as that here chatting. So like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget
Try
to comment
notification.
and turn on
Serious, watch
notification.
ya. Watch ya,
Check out
Zachary.
XD.
Zachary, watch ya.
Right,
Go to
guys.
XD channel.
She lose, you know. She lose.
We know.
Because it's like made the trophy, so she lose.
Yeah,
She never
yeah.
get that trophy.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
So like, share, and
She mess up
subscribe.
on
Do
the two of
not,
us,
do
you know.
not
Yes,
forget to comment.
Skylar, we are
Yeah,
the shoot.
Let's
Yeah.
end it.
So make sure you like,
Mhm.
subscribe and share.
Yeah.
You know I think go.
Yeah.
To Mr. Panda right here. You know
My
I
name
think
Prince, I
guys.
don't-
Boasting is out there.
Yes,
Boss
done
is
boss,
out here.
yes,
Without fear.